Amazon storefront is not going to make you money. Yes, they are lying to you. They are like, oh, all you have to do is post a product and people will buy from your link and Amazon will pay you. No, dude, Amazon is going to pay you like 3 cents, not even up to $1, okay? I have over 45K followers on Instagram, and just to be sure the information I'm giving out here is so useful and accurate, I decided to jump on Amazon affiliate program. I have posted a couple of things like house gold items, athletic gear, etc., where thousands of people are watching my story, and guess how much money I made? I will give you a few minutes to guess. I guess you failed. I made not even up to $3. Yes, you heard me, not up to $3. So better believe, an average person with a couple of thousand followers is not going to be making a substantial amount with Amazon affiliate programs. However, with this method I'm about to share with you, you will make a substantial amount of money because guess what? Instead of the 2 to 3%, Amazon will pay you. You get to make 100% profit, up to $500 from each sale. So if you are interested in making money online, having multiple income stream and making profitable investment decisions, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now that you have subscribed, let's get to it. So stick with me. Till the end of this video, you will learn step by step how I do it. Just so you know, affiliate marketing is not about posting a link and watching the cash roll in. It's about building trust, providing value, and creating meaningful relationships with your audience. So, if affiliate marketing isn't the get-rich-quick scheme it's often made out to be, what's the real story? Now let's peel back the layers and see what's really happening in the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, on the surface, seems like a dream come true, doesn't it? A passive income stream that requires little to no initial investment, and all you need to do is promote products or services you love. But as with most things that sound too good to be true, there's more to the story. Let's start with the competition. The affiliate marketing field is saturated. For every product or service, there are thousands of affiliates vying for the same audience's attention. To stand out, you need to provide unique and valuable content, and that's easier said than done. Then, there's the issue of commission rates. While some programs offer generous commissions, many hover around the single-digit percentage range. Consider this. If you're promoting a product that costs $50 and your commission rate is 5%, you're making $2.50 per sale. You'd need to sell a lot of products to make a significant income. Dependence on third-party platforms is another hurdle. You're at the mercy of the platform's rules and algorithms. A slight change can significantly impact your visibility and consequently your earnings. Not to mention, if the platform decides to shut down, your income stream dries up overnight. And let's not forget about the time investment. It takes a significant amount of time, effort, and patience to build a following, create engaging content, and start seeing profits. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme by any stretch of the imagination. Lastly, there's the issue of trust. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to build a relationship with your audience, and that takes time. So you see, affiliate marketing isn't quite the golden ticket it's often portrayed to be. But if not affiliate marketing, then what? Enter digital marketing, the true powerhouse of online income. Unlike affiliate marketing, digital marketing gives you the reins to your own destiny. You control your brand, your message, and your audience. Digital marketing also offers diversified income streams, from content marketing to search engine optimization, social media management to email marketing. Each avenue opens up new opportunities for revenue. You're not just relying on one product or service to bring in the cash. Furthermore, the earning potential in digital marketing is significantly higher. And to think, this strategy I'm about to reveal to you give you the opportunity to have a full right over the digital product, thereby allowing you make 100% profit from a product you did not create. This is amazing and a very reliable source of income. Unlike affiliate marketing, with strategic planning and execution, you can make a living off digital marketing. It's like casting a net in the ocean instead of a pond. Digital marketing can be your ticket to success. But how do you get started? In the world of digital marketing, there's a clever strategy that allows you to take another person's product and turn it into your own profit-making venture. This method revolves around reselling, but with a twist. You get to keep 100% of the profits. Here's a quick script on how you can make this strategy work for you. Starting with digital marketing may seem daunting, but it's more accessible than you might think. And with the right strategy, like the one I'm about to show you, digital marketing can be your path to success. So let's break down how you can kickstart in 10 steps. Firstly, identifying your niche is crucial. It's about finding a segment of the market that's unique, but also has enough interest to generate traffic and potential customers. Number 2, high-quality products. Start by identifying products in your chosen niche that are in demand and have a proven track record of success. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're knowledgeable in, and where you can provide value. This could be anything from sustainable fashion to tech gadgets, or even home gardening. Quality is key here because it ensures that your customers will receive real value. Number 2, locate resale rights or private label products. Search for products with resale rights or private label rights, PLR. Resale rights allow you to sell the product as is, while PLR gives you the flexibility to modify, brand, and sell the product as your own. Comment interested below if you would like to see a video on the step-by-step method of identifying PLR products and customizing or rebranding it with my favorite apps for free. Number 3, customize and brand. With PLR products, you have the creative freedom to rebrand and customize the product. This can include adding your logo, altering the content, or packaging it in a unique way that distinguishes it as your own. Number 4, create a sales funnel. Build a sales funnel that guides potential customers through the buying process. This typically includes a compelling landing page, a sales page, and an upsell or cross-sell opportunity to maximize profits. Number 5, drive targeted traffic. Utilize digital marketing techniques like SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising to attract your target audience to your sales funnel. Quality traffic is essential for conversions. Number 6, develop a marketing strategy. Craft a marketing strategy that highlights the unique value of your product. This could involve creating compelling sales copy, engaging videos, or persuasive email marketing campaigns. Number 7, set competitive prices. Determine competitive but profitable pricing for your product. Consider your costs, market competition, and perceived value to your customers. Number 8, offer exceptional customer support. Provide excellent customer support and address inquiries promptly. Building trust and satisfaction among your customers is vital for repeat business and referrals. Number 9, leverage testimonials and reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials that can help build your product's credibility and drive more sales. Number 10, scale and expand. As you see success with one product, consider expanding your lineup. You can continue to find high-quality products with resale rights or PLR to grow your offering and maximize your profits. By following this method and implementing these strategies, you can turn another person's product into your profit-making enterprise, keeping 100% of the sales. It's a smart approach that leverages existing quality products and empowers you to build a successful digital marketing business. This brings us to the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.